Hello everyone, I'm Iceman404. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a project that we made in Java with my another teammate, and this was for the requirement of 4th semester Java project. Um, so our system is a Vision Guardian Commander. What it does is it takes the live feed from the camera, and then it just notifies if the person saved in our database appeared in the frame or not. So this is basically, it uses computer vision techniques but in a very beginner level, and the whole project was actually not to test the computer vision knowledge but to implement the knowledge of Java, although I personally don't like Java and it's not my personal favorite, but what do? We have to do it for the semester project. And now let's open our project. Okay, of course we're gonna need this database connectivity before opening, because the username and password, it just refers to the database. So for example, at this moment I've just used admin as username and password. So now let's log in. So this is our main view. In the main view, this log output will display whatever events happening in the main view, and the detected display portion, here we'll see the record of the face as well as some details if there is any. So how it works is, let's start the feed, and it just displays from the webcam, and if there is at the time the database is empty, so if I say monitor, I think it won't be showing anything. So let's stop the feed and go to the admin section. This is another admin view where we can add show records. These are basically CRUD operations. And now if we add the record, we can just save the record on the fly. Let's say I want to save my record here. Okay, now what I do is I just use this camera save button and start to save my record. Let's say I save it in this format. My name is Iceman, last name is 404, registration number 7, age is 44, and my gender is okay. Now what I need to do is I need to save this button and take some snapshots of the photo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little bit of side, a little bit of this side, and we're done. Now to check if the photo is saved or not, we just go to the show records menu, and here we can see, okay, mine, the details is saved. Now let's go back. Now going back, what the application needs to do is it needs to process that information first that I saved, and it needs to find, or it needs to recognize if it's me or not. So although it's a basic LVPH classifier, it's not that powerful, it's just simple, and it's used for beginner level projects. Let's see the monitor. Okay, it recognized me with at least 61% confidence. So basically the confidence level is here shows 61%. So it's just for the layperson that more confidence, more better, but actually LVPS works in the opposite way. So less distance, more confidence. That means the smaller value gives more confidence. So that is how that is. And see, after it's seen me on the feed, and after detecting me, email message is sent. Now let's check if the email message is sent or not. I'm gonna reload my email and see if Vision has sent me email or not. Okay, it has sent me Vision. Okay, what did it send? Okay, face of Iceman404 has been recognized, and it has sent me one of the frames captured from the image. Okay, this is the project. Now what we can do is, it's a simple implementation, but this creation of this various scenes was a little bit of hectic. Rest assured, everything was working fine. So this is how our project is, and every time you save a face, when you go back to the main menu, the face is trained, and we can see in the live feed. So this is how our project works. Okay, this was actually a project we were searching in GitHub, and the idea behind this project is very much similar to one of the projects we saw in GitHub. It was named as JavaFX, but the UI there was very much confusing, as well as it had so many unwanted features, and we just took the idea and worked on it and implement our own version of it. So this is the overall project. Hope you like it. Thank you. And if you want the code for this, it's in the GitHub. You can modify it. You can work on that project. Whatever. It's up to you. Thank you.